Just drink. Don't breathe. Just drink.
He's getting married this Sunday, but he's more of a hero today.
Hi, welcome to not Unico, but today we're at Beerfest with my little cousin here who's getting married. And then my two friends here. Yeah, so Beerfest is a place where they have like different kind of craft beer and all the blah 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 bullshit and then a lot of drinking. Yeah, so we're just gonna go in right now and
see you in a while.
So that's the end of Beerfest. He has a nice bachelor night and everyone goes home happy. So if you haven't subscribed, click the link down below, drop a like, and we'll see you next time.